Hello, members of the Community Services, Public Safety, Housing and Development Committee, and City Council, as well as any members of the public who are watching this presentation. My name is Casey Clay, Human Resources Manager for the City of Oxnard, sharing this presentation with you on behalf of Police Chief Benitez and Fire Chief Hamilton. It is recommended that the Community Services, Public Safety, Housing and Development Committee approve and authorize the mayor to execute a purchase order agreement with In Time Services Incorporated for the next 3 years with a total agreement amount not to exceed $203,280 for scheduling and workforce management applications for public safety police. It is also recommended that the Community Services, Public Safety, Housing and Development Committee approve and authorize the mayor to execute a purchase order agreement with UKG Workforce Telestaff for the Workforce Telestaff application cloud migration that will modernize and streamline the workforce management and payroll processes for the Oxnard Fire Department. The total agreement amount not to exceed $51,840 over 3 years. The police department's current methods of managing workforce scheduling are outdated and inefficient. They're using Excel spreadsheets, pivot tables, and paper documents to manage advanced scheduling and timekeeping functions. Navigating scheduling requires opening several different applications and screens. Redundant entries are required. Paper overtime forms to track vacation requests and requires significant staff time to process. The police department has been seeking an electronic scheduling and timekeeping solution for many years. After several product demonstrations, In Time is the recommended solution for the Oxnard Police Department. Regarded as a superior police advanced scheduling solution for many California law enforcement agencies, such as Ventura Police Department, Ventura County Probation, Anaheim Police Department, Orange County Sheriff's Department, Rialto Police Department, and also including San Luis Obispo Police Department. Benefits that In Time would provide to the police department over the other software solutions: reduced staff hours needed to manage schedules, easy to predict and fill staffing shortages and convert staffing shortages to an overtime shift on one screen, robust overtime tracking, including court subpoena management, job costing and grant overtime reporting, dedicated smartphone application. In Time's shift selection module provides the most reduction of staff time to complete the biannual shift bidding process. Moving on to public safety fire background. Since 2005, the fire department has relied on Telestaff to manage scheduling, overtime, leave verification, and other related activities. However, our current manual processes involving spreadsheets and emails have become increasingly labor-intensive and inefficient. With the impending integration with Tyler's time and attendance platform, it has become evident that the current system is inadequate to meet the complex needs of the fire department and city payroll. The Telestaff Cloud Migration Project seeks to address these challenges by upgrading to the UKG Telestaff product, migrating to a cloud-based infrastructure, and integrating with the city's Munis financial system. The comprehensive approach will enhance efficiency, accuracy, and accessibility while reducing the burden of manual data entry and processing. The key objectives: upgrade to UKG Telestaff. Adopting the gold standard in advanced scheduling and workforce management will align our operations with industry best practices. Cloud migration. Moving to a cloud-based infrastructure will improve security, scalability, and continuity of operations. Munis integration. Integrating with Munis will streamline payroll processing and enhance financial management. The benefits are improved efficiency and accuracy in scheduling, overtime management, and payroll processing, reduction in time spent on manual data entry and processing, enhanced visibility into leaves and overtime and payroll metrics, alignment with industry standards and best practices. The financial impact of In Time is the $203,280 value of the agreement with In Time Services, Inc. For software fees, the project will be budgeted from Information Technology 731-53001101, and for services for the project will be budgeted from Information Technology 731-53200. over a 3-year term. The total cost for the first year is $84,480. The second year's annual costs are $52,200, and the third year annual cost is $66,600. The financial impact for TeleStaff: the software fees for the project will be budgeted from Information Technology 731-5300-1101, and for services for the project will be budgeted from Information Technology 731-53200. The professional service fee to move from UKG TeleStaff to UKG Cloud is $12,960. The monthly subscription fee is $1,080, resulting in an annual cost of $12,960. Therefore, the first year cost is $25,920. For the second and third years, the annual costs remain at $12,960 each. Hence, the total expenditure over 3 years amounts to $51,840. InTime and TeleStaff requires a consultant for implementation. Staff intends to utilize Creative Core's services for this purpose, and this scope of work is included in their contract amendment being recommended in the Finance and Governments Committee. Police Chief Benitez and Fire Chief Hamilton will be available for any questions.